Hello there, welcome back to another new video. My boy Mr. Talented Reed. In today's video, I'm just going to show you some Conrad bearings that damage. So these are all the Conrad bearings for a ZD30 engine. So these are number 1, they are number 2, these are number these are number 3, and these are number 4. So these are the ones that come from number 4 that's really bad. They have a lot of groove in there. So make it crankshaft, making a lot of noise when the engine running. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.